Hello people, so today and now is already 2024 and the technology is growing that fast. You will get a effortless way to create an aesthetic photo. You just need the PicsArt application and your life will be easier. You will get a lot of aesthetic photo only with the PicsArt. Open your PicsArt application, just tap into the plus button and then you just need to access the photo library and then pick your picture that you want to make to be aesthetic. And today I will like to give you a tips how you can like isolate the object, or you can like pick the specific object to be blur. It could be add aesthetic value on your picture. Now take a look on this button feature and tap into the effects because this is what we need. Now go into the blur and there will be like a lot of blurry effects that you can use. There will be like blur, facial zoom, focal zoom, radial blur, pixelize, and so on and so on. And to be aesthetic, I will use this radial blur the most. Now you just need to go take a look on this upper side. Go click this icon and then there will be options to isolate or pick the object to be blurred, and then I will let to use this person. And now you'll see the background could be stay, that will be like clear perfectly, but then for the object, for the person or human inside of the picture, it got like a blurry effects on it. And if you want to keep it, just go click this checklist button. Now again, if you want to like get or customize the intensity of the blurry, go tap into the effects again. If you want to increasing the blur and make your face blurry, so blurry, just drag it into the right side. But then it's too blurry, right? Drag it into the left side and adjusting, get the point for perfect blurry effects for your picture to be more aesthetic. Right after that, go click apply, and this is before and this is after. Which one is more aesthetic? You decided. So that's for today's tutorial. Just subscribe into this channel, turn on the notification, and I will like show you more tips about how to get aesthetic picture with PicsArt. See you for the next tutorial.